Welcome to our channel Zama Cartoons.
Hello kids! Today we are learning about beautiful flowers. Let's see their names and features together.
Rose.
Rose.
Rose has soft petals and thorns. Sunflower.
Sunflower.
Sunflower. Big yellow flower that faces the sun. Lily.
Lily.
Lily. Bell-shaped petals. Tulip.
Tulip.
Tulip. Cup-shaped flower. Lotus.
Lotus.
Lotus. Floats on water. Daisy.
Daisy.
Daisy. White petals with yellow center. Marigold.
Marigold.
Marigold. Bright orange and round. Jasmine.
Jasmine.
Jasmine. Small and very fragrant. Hibiscus.
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus. Large with 5 petals. Orchid.
Orchid.
Orchid. Beautiful with many shapes. Carnation.
Carnation.
Carnation. Ruffled petals. Lavender.
Lavender.
Lavender. Purple and fragrant spikes. Daffodil.
Daffodil.
Daffodil. Yellow trumpet-shaped flower. Poppy.
Poppy.
Poppy. Bright red with black center. Chrysanthemum.
Chrysanthemum.
Chrysanthemum. Many layered petals. Magnolia.
Magnolia.
Magnolia. Large white or pink petals. Peony.
Peony.
Peony. Big round flower. Iris.
Iris.
Iris. Petals shaped like a fan. Geranium.
Geranium.
Geranium. Clusters of small flowers. Azalea.
Azalea.
Azalea. Bushy with many blooms. Camellia.
Camellia.
Camellia. Rose-like petals. Gardenia.
Gardenia.
Gardenia. White and strongly scented. Violet.
Violet.
Violet. Tiny purple flower. Bluebell.
Bluebell.
Bluebell. Bell-shaped blue petals. Zinnia.
Zinnia.
Zinnia. round and colourful. Dahlia,
Dahlia.
dahlia, large flower with many petals. Anemone,
Anemone.
anemone, simple with bright colours. Petunia,
Petunia.
petunia, funnel-shaped flowers. Snapdragon,
Snapdragon.
snapdragon, mouth-shaped petals. Gladiolus,
Gladiolus.
gladiolus, tall stem with many flowers.
Great job, kids! Now you know 30 different flowers and their special
Subscribe our
features.
channel Zama
Keep learning
Cartoons.
and keep blooming like flowers.